In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Dropbox subscription. Maybe you signed up for a paid plan and you're not using it as much as you thought, or you just want to avoid the next billing cycle. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to take to cancel your Dropbox subscription using the standard web interface. Follow along on your computer for the smoothest experience. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in, and you should land on your Dropbox home dashboard. This is the main page where you see your folders and files. It's important that you're using the desktop browser version, not the mobile app, because the subscription settings are easiest to access from here. Once you're on the home dashboard, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon or your initials displayed in a small circle. Click on that profile area. This opens a drop-down menu with a few different account-related options. From that menu, find and click on the option labeled Manage Account. This is where Dropbox keeps all of your account settings, including your plan, billing information, and subscription details. Give the page a moment to load. When the account management page opens, you should automatically land on the section related to your subscription. Here, you'll see details about the plan you're currently on, whether it's Plus, Professional, or another paid plan. You might also see information like your renewal date and storage limits. It's a good idea to quickly review this so you know when your next payment is scheduled and what exactly you're canceling. Now, look for the option to cancel your subscription. This is usually a button or link that clearly says something like cancel subscription or downgrade. It's typically found near your plan details or billing information. On some accounts, especially if you're on a free plan already, you won't see this option because there's nothing paid to cancel. But if you are currently paying for Dropbox, the cancel button should be visible. Click that cancel subscription option, then follow any on-screen prompts. Dropbox may ask you to confirm your choice or offer alternatives like changing your plan. Proceed through those steps until you see confirmation that your subscription will be canceled. And that's it. You've now gone through the process to cancel your Dropbox subscription.